Hello and welcome to Rapyd Bytes. Today we're going to look at daily rates and the daily rate object. Rapyd is an API first company, and here in Rapyd Bytes we'll show you how to work with our API to accept, hold, and disperse funds in various countries using local payment methods. Thanks for watching. Again, we're going to be using the Rapyd API to check daily rates for FX currencies. This is when you're making a foreign exchange payment or payout. This is also a GET request using the Rapyd API. You can also go to the client portal to use this feature. So right now I am on the API reference page under Get Daily Rate in the Daily Rates section. Really, this is a snapshot of the exchange rates that is fetched each day or on a specific time. Right now, 9 p.m. UTC, and it displays the foreign exchange markup fees or the rates. And so here is the daily rate object with the fields. Really the only required fields would be action type, and that's where you can choose payment or payout. It's really the same rates, but that is information, that is fields that you can pass through to present to your customers, to your audience. And then there is buy or buy currency and buy and sell currency. So we could see it down here. This is marked red as required. Buy currency is marked red as required, and then sell currency. So those will be added as query parameters. We'll take a look at that in a second in Postman, and here we can choose between the two. And using these are different examples, euros and USD to Singapore and USD. So it's going to have a different rate, even though they are payment. But if they were the same currencies compared for each, it would really be the same rate. I'm going to head over to Postman now. If you haven't gotten started or downloaded the Rapyd Postman collection, you can do so in the link below in documentation, or follow the video, and that also has the link to download the collection as well. And so I'm going to search up get daily rate, and here we go. And so again, I can choose payment or payout and buy currency and sell currency. So I'm going to sell X amount of Singapore dollars to obtain US dollars. And so here we go. So this is the rate is how much you will get. As I sell 1 Singapore dollar, I'll get 0.73 US dollars. That will add up. And then as I switch that up, now I'm selling US dollars to obtain Singapore dollars. I'll get over 1 Singapore dollar per US dollar. And just to show you, if I do payout, it's the same rate. This is just can be helpful in information that is passed through. So let's just play around with it now. Again, selling British pounds for Singapore dollar. Really we could do any currency. Okay, now we're selling British pounds and getting Hong Kong dollar. That's went up to 9.5. Now we're buying Mexican pesos. That's gone up to 21.88. What's another Canadian? Oh, there we go. Actually, what is Canadian dollar? CAD. There we go. And there is, these are just different examples. We can do euros to British pounds, or selling British pounds for euros. Payment. And so, basically this will continue to refresh each day. We could see the date of where the last refresh happens. And you can list also all the different currencies for a payment method that shows up when you do list countries. And so that has all the currencies here. And then if you do this payment method by country, let's say Singapore dollar, and I want to know what currencies are for this specific payment. And you'll find, of course, cards have a lot, right? There we go. And so that is what it pays in. But of course, there's FX, the FX feature with Rapyd, in which as you receive funds, those can be converted with a dynamic currency conversion. So that's just a little example of the Get Daily Rate API call. I'm going to head over to the Rapyd client portal to show you what this looks like in here. And so I'm going to go to here, disperse, and you can go to more actions, check FX rates. And so some of the things that we were doing. And see, I love this. This is the graph of as it's gone up and down, up and down. So 1.1, 1.1. I believe, yeah, we're buying euros from. Let's do USD again. We could even flip them. There's the 0.7. And so, yeah, I love this tool. You can also go to settings here on the left and then FX rates. And wow, yeah, here is a huge map of different currencies and all the exchange rates for each. You can also customize tables. This is not all the currencies that are off. You know, look at all these down here, and I can add these. I believe it's up to 5, so I would have to I would have to remove one and then add one. And man, look at the Japanese yen. That is a lot. So really cool tool. If you have any questions, you can comment below, or open up your browser and head to community.rapyd.net, or open up a new tab, or just log in that URL and create a topic and ask about the Get Daily Rate API call or Get Daily Rate object, and connect with any one of our developers in our team, and we're happy to connect with you and connect with other fintech developers as well. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.